Hey, look, this is cool. See how there's a pointy part of the cap?
It's gonna squish out?
No, watch. You just... See?
Oh, okay.
Isn't that fancy?
Yeah.
Fancy.
I don't know. Did you ever find that part?
Yeah, it's right here.
I thought there were two of them.
This is the one. I found it while you were inside when I was setting up the cameras.
There was one in that box.
That's a smaller one. It's for something else.
Oh, where was it?
It was right here on the table underneath that brown paper.
Oh, okay.
It was just underneath the paper. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's coming out because I squeezed it.
That usually happens.
Okay, so the gasket for the oil pan is in like 4 different pieces. There's the back piece, the 2 side pieces, and then the front piece, which we can't use yet because we got to put the water pump housing / timing cover on first because it goes along the bottom of that. The front of the oil pan, that sits on here.
That cleaned up so nicely.
It did.
Cleaned it. That's awesome.
So
Show for my coffee. Over here.
that'll have to wait. But we got to fill the gaps between the seams. We use this stuff. So do you want to put like a little bit like right here in this corner?
Yeah. Is that enough?
Probably.
Does it stay on your fingers? Oh, I'm shaky because I'm cold.
You probably need more.
Yeah, that's
do
not
like
enough. A good goop.
just
like
a
toothpaste. We finished each other's sandwiches. This smells like tar.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot there were 2 sides. Sorry. I got sidetracked with the smell.
Oh, you don't got to smush it down. It's
Oh,
just
you leave
like,
it gloopy?
Yeah, it'll smush when we put it all
okay.
together. Just put a little more in there. You can never have too much of this stuff. It'll just glob out anyway. Where's the piece? Oh, here it is. All right, put this on there and line the holes up with the holes. Does that make sense? Oh. You dropped it.
Wait, line it up with the holes?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. That's a given.
It doesn't have to be like totally perfect.
You're telling me it doesn't have to be totally perfect.
Yeah. The bolts will do the rest.
There you go.
And the oil pan. All right, and then we got to put a little more because the one sits on top of the other. So we'll put a little bit more on there. Making gaskets, la la la. Where nothing's moving, it's okay. When this turns, it's gonna have an oil pan on it. Oh my goodness. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to put your hair up?
Stop. I left it in a bun this time, okay? Crunchy. Here's some car AMSR. Asthma. Put it in the tree.
You should.
We're gonna wonder why it catches on fire.
Should we like hang gaskets and stuff from it?
Just our oil trash, you know?
Just our oil trash. I'm a thorough believer, and you can never use too much of this RTV stuff. We're just gonna put a little bit here and there to hold the gasket on too.
Ugh. We need a trash can closer to us.
There's one right there. Just shoot. Shoot the hoops. Okay, I'm terrified. All right.
Don't say that. Why are you telling me that?
I don't know. We're closing it up. It's. How long has this been apart for?
I know.
Long time.
It's time. This was supposed to be running last year.
Do. Okay, this is gonna be hard because these things have to go through that. But also it has to mesh with the cork gaskets.
I have tiny fingers. This has to go through here?
Yeah, and then see the pointy part in the middle?
Yeah, we can do it.
Through that dot hole?
Hold on. Wait, it's not lined up. One sec. What? Are you sure it goes through there?
Yes.
It doesn't look like
that's why it's like that.
All right, hold on. We got one side. Hold on. I ain't got no gas in it.
You need the middle piece now.
I'm getting there. I'm doing the side pieces.
Maybe we should have put it in first. Who knows?
Wait, it's bendy. Wait, where did it go? Hold on, lift it up a tiny bit. What in the world? It like squished down. I can't even feel it.
Well, it's partly connected to the oil pan. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
That piece is really long. There we go.
You know, what we probably should have done is connected the whole deal to the oil pan, not to
and
the
then
engine.
Pushed it on. Yeah.
Oh well.
That's okay.
We're here now.
Next time. Goop, goop. Are the circles lined up?
The circles?
I can't see.
Yeah.
Okay.
This feels like something is hitting it. Is it the drain tube?
Okay.
We use a Butler bolt kit.
But the bolt kit.
Butler bolt kit, because it's cheaper than the ARP, but still good quality. We are going to be installing the Butler bolt kit. It's a little bit cheaper than the ARP, but still good quality. Everything is sorted according to where it goes, as you can see here. Pretty fancy. I'm going to start threading these into holes.
Doesn't matter which ones.
Nope.
Just start here.
Yep. You're going to have to like smoosh the gasket around a little bit and stuff, get everything lined up.
Smooth.
You can like pick the oil pan up and move it around. You want a little screwdriver to like...
Yeah, I was trying to use the bolt, but I don't want to mess up the threads.
You're not going to mess it up.
Would you say a cross thread's a good thread?
Cross thread is a tight thread.
Oh, yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm missing one. Is there another one ready?
Yeah, there's lots over here. I'm trying to find the right size socket.
Sprockets. Thank you.
I thought I got 2 out yesterday. I did. They're out of the case. Where'd the other one go?
Said good
Maybe we
choice.
should clean up all these trashes.
Yeah, that's why I said we need a trash can close by.
Oh, I almost threw away part of the gasket.
Don't do that. I don't feel like dumpster diving.
Where'd the other socket go?
I don't know.
It was on the taboo. Maybe it fell down.
Maybe it fall down.
Here. You keep going.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
Mm-hmm.
This is dirty. What's in there?
Where? This is just the goop.
Okay.
I put a little bit to hold the gasket in place.
See, I told you, we spend half the time looking for the stuff that...
Yeah, but this is one of yours that we had right here on the table, so I don't understand where it went.
I don't know. Is it... What size was it?
The 1/2 inch.
30 tooth?
30 tooth. Ow. Oh, those might be 3/8 though. They probably are 3/8.
These are ready?
Now that I think about it. Oh no, they're half. Yeah, they're all ready.
I'm just kidding. I was gonna do right here. But I don't feel like wasting time. Time.
Times New Roman.
I'd
Oh,
be
hey, I found it.
really awkward.
Wow. Nope. Yep, that's it. Now I know I didn't lose your socket.
Almost tripped.
I'll put one on the backs. There's 4 of those for the front. Because you're doing it.
You're
I'm gonna
laughing.
do
And the mic is
it. Ew.
Gee.
I said ew, not gew. Gew. But that too. Sure.
But that too.
What I literally said was, yeah, sure, sir. So, grab the screwdriver. See, that's the end of the rubber, so you can pull it that way.
It really does smell like tar. This does not want to go. Where's that?
Give me that. What do you need?
The screwdriver thing. Ew. Thank you. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze.
That's you.
He said, oh.
I saved it. I saved you.
It was like right there, and then you touched my nose.
You said you were gonna sneeze.
I know, but then
I was holding a tissue.
I was
for
trying
you
to get
sneeze
it to
into.
go away, and then you touched my nose in it.
I was helping you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What were they saying about me being a good husband? See, I am.
Oh, Oh.
Oh, what? Oh, what? What are you... What are you doing over there? They can't even see what you're doing. Come over here and be weird.
Oh, it's like bronzer.
What? What?
It's like bronzer. It's contour. That's some thick contour.
You want to do some?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not yeehawing them down. We're just doing them gentle. Like, not all the way down. Do this one over here.
Okay.
Kind of doing a crisscross back and forth. Crisscross applesauce.
This one? How far down?
Just like snug it. Probably good.
Good. And then this way?
Oh, no, you need more on that.
Good.
I don't know.
Looks good.
No, it's not down
More?
Yet. Yeah.
No.
There you go. Sure.
Okay. Now this side?
Yep. It's like the only one left. Okay.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, that's tight.
Whoa. Yeah. Okay.
I told you we weren't yeehaw. We'll just leave it there for now because we may have to loosen it and adjust it slightly for this water pump housing.